Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab G6 Max, and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the apps. Then let's tap on See All Apps, and here we've got the full list of all apps that are currently installed on this device. And what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of them, especially those that you're frequently using, and remove cache. Cache are files that are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, sometimes they can interfere if they are corrupted, and obviously they are occupying some memory. So all you need to do is to tap on the app, then go to then go to Storage and Cache, and here simply tap on Clear Cache, and your device will immediately remove it. Unfortunately, there is no way to do it manually because there is no way, simply. And even though some kind of third-party apps might claim that they can do it, I don't really recommend using them because they could be quite predatory and they will gather some information from the app. So I don't really recommend using them. Simply do it manually, one by one, from time to time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.